Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kameshwarya. I am a trainer and coach. We are seeing Success Series and today is day 2. Everyone wanted to succeed in our career, relationships, health, wealth, etc. Now the question is, are we really focused upon what we really want? Yes, there lies the fact. Now today we are going to see some of the success principles which has been followed by most of the successful people all around the world. Now let's jump into the topic. Point number 1. Knowing what you really want. Most of us wanted to become rich, wanted to succeed in our career, and we have so many goals. But do we really focus on what is really needed to us? Yes, friends. Focusing on one particular goal and working towards it makes you more targeted work and makes you to attain the goal. So point number 1 is knowing what you really want. Point number 2, burning desire. Knowing what we really want is a wish. When does the wish come true? Only when we have a desire to attain the goal. And this desire should be a burning desire right from our subconscious mind. Right. This wish is a part where we have in our conscious level. When does this wish get into our subconscious level to become a burning desire? Only through repetition. Repetition is also termed as autosuggestion. When we tell our wishes again and again, it just forms as a solid rock inside our subconscious mind, which becomes the burning desire part. So inside the burning desire comes the auto-suggestion when we want to repeat the desire again and again, and it forms as a strong desire in our subconscious mind, and that helps us to achieve our goals. Now point number 3. Third point is having faith. We all wanted to succeed our goals. We all have the desire to achieve it. Now the thing is, when we move on towards our success path, we have a small disbelief on ourselves. This disbelief is the actual enemy that we wanted to receive from the universe. Yes, friends, we have to believe ourselves first. The belief which we have on ourselves to attain the goal makes us to move forward. So believe ourselves, believe yourself first, and then move forward. Next, point number 4 is taking action. So from the first we have seen that knowing what we want and having a burning desire towards it, repeating it again and again, and then having faith in ourselves. The next point is we have to take action. We have already registered what we really want in our subconscious mind. Now, the subconscious mind plays the real part. It gives us so many ideas that makes us to actually work towards our goal. Now take some of the ideas from the subconscious mind and start taking action, work towards a goal. Now starting to taking action and working towards your goal makes us to improve a lot from point 0 to point 1. And when we attain the first part of our success, celebrate and just move on to the next point. So after taking action step by step, when we take the points forward, we are really towards the goal which we actually wanted. We are into the success path. And the last step is success. We receive our goals, we receive what we really want, and we receive what we deserve. To summarize, we have seen these principles of success. First is knowing what we really want. The second point is having burning desire. Third point is we have to repeat the same again and again, and this is called autosuggestion. The fourth one is having faith towards ourselves. The fifth point is taking action. And the last point is getting your success and celebrate it. Yes, all the successful people all over the world use this principle of success and succeed their life. So this is being taken from Think and Grow Rich book, and this is a must read book to all the people in their lifetime once. So please do buy this book and have a glance at it. It will really change your life. So thank you once again. We'll see you in another superb topic. Bye.